Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. A lot of people will be asked me about retinoid. So that's why I think I make a video on retinoid topic. So here is the reason I make a video on a retinoid. Let's have to move on. What is retinoid? This is a form of a vitamin A, and here is a lot of families of a retinoid like retinol, retinoil palmitate, and vitamin A, retinic acid, retinol, retinoids, retinyl aldehyde. So, like here, which retinol is the best for us, and which is the best one for you? And which one you use. So here I'll tell you about retinoids 101 in this video. Before starting this video, this is my skincare channel. So I am a specialist and I'm expert in a skincare line. So if you love skincare, for this purpose, please subscribe and press the notification bell to get notification of my skincare video. Let's have to move on our topic. Retinoid and basically belonging to tretinoin and retinic acid. Actually, this is a form of a vitamin A. So here is a lot of a benefit of a vitamin A. Like this will be reducing your fine line, wrinkle, hyperpigmentation, uneven skin tone, and also this will be boost up your collagen production, and this will be also increasing your cell turnover. So that's mean your skin will be looking more radiant, more amazing, and more beautiful. Here is the reason, so that's why I recommend it to you. A lot of people will be saying to me how much this will be taken a time to see a result. So depending on your condition, like at in which age you start a retinoid, like a dermatologist will be prescribe you should start retinoid after 12 year. But and another reason, if you are a pregnant and if you are breastfeeding woman, so definitely retinoid is not for you. So stay away from retinoid. This is not made for. This will be impact on your baby and as well as on you. So avoid retinoid and retinol based product if you are a breastfeeding woman and if you are pregnant. And now the point is, this will be promote your collagen production. Now how this is work, our skin will be contain multiple layer, like first one epidermis, the second one dermis, and the third one hypodermis. Tretinoin cream available in a form, in a gel form, different percentage, 0.05%, 1%, and 1.5%, and 0.2%, and sometime is higher. When you increase potency, so this will be a severe side effects, like sometime you facing a skin redness, irritation, and rosacea, and sometime your skin will be peeling and skin dryness. If you have a oily skin, so here if you are facing acne, and if you are facing a moderate acne, if you have a pustule, blackhead, whiteheads, and red bumps, so pus as acne, here there is a solution, one ingredient, tretinoin and retinoid. So that's one is amazing one and do work for you. This will be also using to treating your dark circle and under eye bags and under eye wrinkle, hyperpigmentation, uneven skin tone. Here is a multiple reason I recommend it to you, retinoid, and this will be make your skin smoother and amazing day by day, and you feel yourself inside so confident, your skin will be looking amazing. And in my personal opinion, I'm using a retinoid for many years, so definitely I'm recommended to you. And see, this is work for you so great well, and this will be taken a time. Here some people will be saying to me, sir, this is not working for me, I'm using for a 2 month. No, that's not effect, that's depending on your condition, on your skin, like which thing. And here is the question, is this work for hyperpigmentation and melasma? Yes, this will be work for hyperpigmentation, uneven skin tone, and photo aging, and sun damage, and hyperpigmentation, melasma condition. But depending on your skin type and your internal issues, and depending your multivitamin intake, and also sun exposure, if you are wearing a sunscreen or a note, and how many years should you long facing a hyperpigmentation and melasma. This is not a magic you apply for a month, for a week, a whole night, for a week and 2 months, and this will be a show result. This will be taken many times, sometime 8 months, sometimes 6 months. So if you start this earlier, so definitely this will be give you a benefit and a more amazing result. But if you start late, definitely this will be just a little bit slow process. This will be taken a time. So focusing on yourself, so starting a retinoid earlier, this will be give you amazing benefit and amazing. Um, your skin will be appear smoother and amazing and plumper. And your hyperpigmentation, if you are facing a fine line and wrinkle, use it for depending on your fine line and wrinkle condition, like from at which year, from in which year you start earlier, at how many years you facing a fine line and wrinkle. Here I see someone, people will be facing a lot of a fine line and wrinkle, so for many years. So start a retinoid, applied for a 6 month, and all of them will be saying to me, sir, this will not be given me a result. Why? The point is, this will be taken a maximum, depending your old fine line and wrinkle, this will be taken a 2 year for consistently using overnight. So here in a first using a 0.05% potency, this is a low one, use it, and also available in a 0.002%, that's a lowest potency. But sometime if you are using a tretinoin wrongly, so this will be make your skin worse even then better, and this will be give you a redness and skin peeling, and also this will be increasing your more acne and more bumps. And now the question is this work for a blackheads? Yes, this will be a blackheads. This will be a best. But if you are using a tretinoin in a gel form, in a cream form, whatever, in a what product, so there is a whole family like tretinoin, retinoid. But tretinoin is a number one strongest version of a retinol vitamin A family. Retinoic acid, retinol aldehyde, this will be available in a cosmetic grade, and retinol is a weaker version over the counter and in a market. A lot of a different product and a different things will be available, different multiple products will be available. Here I'm big fan of a retinol because is the king of every skincare ingredient. This will be best for hyperpigmentation, uneven skin tone, melasma, dark circle, fine line, wrinkle, under eye bags, and make your skin baby. Here, some people will be saying to me, sir, how can I get a glass skin? Glass skin is a get from tretinoin. A Japanese will be saying we apply rice on face and blah blah things, so here we get a glass skin. No, all of them will be using a tretinoin, and majority dermatologists overall whole world prefer FDA approved ingredient tretinoin. This will be reducing your fine line and wrinkle, but again this is not a magic, this will be taken a time. So given a time to this product, to ingredient, and after this you see a good result in your skin, and also you see a dramatically and amazing changes in your skin, in your face, and your face will be looking a plumper and beautiful and amazing one. And personally, definitely I'm recommended to you. This will be a suited to for men and women. If you cross after 20s, every dermatologist will be prescribe you. But and again, go to your this is a knowledge and educational video, so that's why about this ingredient I'm telling you. So first of all, when you use this ingredient, go to your dermatologist. But if you have a sensitive skin type, definitely this will not be suited for you. And if you have a dry skin, if you have a oily skin, if you have a normal skin, so the plus point and a good point for you, this is a rewarding, so this is good for you. But if you have a sensitive, this is not made for you, stay away from this. And personally I'm not be recommended to you. In some cases sensitive skin type will be facing a lot of a side effect, so here is the reason. So that's why I'm saying to you, go to your dermatologist if you have any skin type, and then your dermatologist will be prescribe you, then you buy it and apply. How to apply? Now how to apply, if you given me a good response on this video, so I'll tell you in my next one. So